if the government of Murang'a wishes to state that all these nurses are sacked, the best thing to do and very fast is to refer us to the central government so that we can be deployed to very friendly and other counties.
Niki mako kiria kiratungire Manathi thibitari-ini wa Murang'a thutha wao kwirwo matigwitikire gucoka wira-ini wao ni amu ni matigithirio wira ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a thutha wao kurio macoke wira-ini hindi ya mugomo wao na makirega.
That vifungua zenye wanasema that they would release for these workers, that it was agreed yesterday by the Council of Governors in which Murang'a County is part of that. Are we together? Hello? So we go back, we report to our facilities and let them come and remove you from those places of
Manathi aya ni moretie thirikari ya kaunti no guthingata ngirimiti ira iraiguithanirio gatagati ka Manathi na thirikari niguo arwaru mathie na mbere na kwamukira motungata ma urigitani hatari muhinga.
The county government release our salaries as indicated by this document. Failure to which we shall still follow the legal proceedings into attaining what is rightfully solidarity.
Ona kuri uguo arwaru thibitari-ini yo ni matugeirie Manathi ni gwitikira gucoka wira-ini na makorie thirikari ya kaunti no kunanira njung'wa na Manathi macio niguo macokererie wira wao.
Na kwa daktari mimi narudisha shukrani. Niambia Mungu awabariki wote. Vile daktari waligomoka tukaona tuko na faida kwetu, tulikuwa tunatumia pesa mingi sana kwa kuenda hospitali za private. Sasa tukaona sa serikali ndio siko na faida.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a ni atuite itua ria kwandika Manathi eru thutha wa aria mari mugomo-ini kwaga gucoka wira-ini thutha wa ritana ria gavana Mwangi wa Iria, itua riria riacokire kurugamio ni igoti. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.